Imagine scrolling through your feed late at night and stumbling upon a headline that stops you cold. A mysterious Zimbabwean inventor claims his revolutionary free energy technology is secretly powering next-generation aircraft at one of the world's biggest aerospace giants. The name Boeing gets whispered in connection with devices that defy physics as we know it. Sounds like science fiction, right? Or maybe the plot of a conspiracy thriller. But stories like this have been circulating online for years, pitting established aerospace engineering against bold, unverified claims from an inventor named Maxwell Chikumbutso. Today, we're unpacking Boeing's so-called secret partners, the real ones driving cutting-edge tech, versus the extraordinary assertions tied to Chikumbutso. Let's dive in with clear eyes and see what holds up. Boeing is no stranger to innovation. As one of the largest aerospace companies on the planet, it collaborates with thousands of partners worldwide to build everything from commercial jets to defense systems and space vehicles. These partnerships are often public, announced in press releases, and focused on tangible advancements in materials, propulsion, and sustainability. For instance, Boeing works closely with suppliers and tech firms to integrate artificial intelligence into manufacturing and defense programs. Recent collaborations include teaming up with companies like Palantir to accelerate AI adoption across classified projects. That's real tech, data analytics, machine learning, and secure computing pushing the boundaries of what's possible in flight. Boeing also invests in venture funds like AEI Horizon X, backing startups in autonomous systems, advanced materials, and green aviation. These are documented partnerships aimed at reducing emissions, improving efficiency, and enhancing safety. Think electric propulsion research, sustainable fuels, and next-gen composites. Boeing's supplier network spans over 20,000 companies in dozens of countries, delivering components that meet rigorous certification standards. Nothing about these collaborations is truly secret. They're driven by regulatory oversight, shareholder transparency, and competitive necessity. Now, contrast that with the claims surrounding Maxwell Chikumbutso, founder of Saith Technologies. Chikumbutso has gained attention for alleging inventions like a generator that produces electricity from radio frequencies, an electric car that never needs charging, and even self-powered helicopters. He describes a Microsonic Energy Device that supposedly converts ambient radio waves into usable power, unlimited, free energy. If true, this would revolutionize everything, including aviation. Supporters point to demonstrations in Zimbabwe, meetings with officials, and viral videos showing devices in action. Chikumbutso has spoken of partnerships with Chinese automakers and grand launches promising to change the world. He's framed his work as divinely inspired, overcoming skepticism from traditional scientists. And here's where Boeing enters the picture in some online narratives. Whispers suggest that major aerospace players, including Boeing, have quietly explored or even adopted similar over-unity energy tech to stay ahead. The idea is that breakthroughs like Chikumbutso's could enable endless flight times, silent drones, or electric aircraft without massive batteries. But let's pause and examine the evidence. Extensive searches through Boeing's official announcements, partner lists, and supplier databases turn up no mention of Saith Technologies or Maxwell Chikumbutso. Boeing's real tech advancements rely on proven physics, hybrid electric systems, hydrogen research, and optimized aerodynamics. They're partnering with established firms on sustainable aviation fuel and advanced battery tech, not unverified free energy claims. Multiple independent investigations have scrutinized Chikumbutso's devices over the years. Fact checks from outlets worldwide highlight a lack of peer-reviewed validation or independent replication. Demonstrations often date back to staged events, with no widespread commercial products emerging despite years of promises. Investors have come forward alleging undelivered prototypes, and scientific consensus points out that harvesting meaningful power from ambient radio waves falls far short of running vehicles or aircraft. The energy density just isn't there. It's like trying to power a jet engine with candlelight. Laws of thermodynamics remain unbroken in verified engineering. So, the first half of this story is clear. Boeing's partners are real, vetted, and focused on incremental, certifiable progress. No evidence links them to Chikumbutso's specific claims. But now, let's shift gears into the realm of rumors, because that's where this topic gets truly intriguing. What if there's more beneath the surface? Aviation insiders sometimes talk about black projects, classified programs where revolutionary tech gets tested away from public eyes. Boeing's Phantom Works division handles advanced prototyping for military applications. Could something like exotic energy sources be explored in those shadows? After all, history is full of breakthroughs that started as fringe ideas. Nikola Tesla dreamed of wireless power transmission, and today we have inductive charging. Maybe Chikumbutso tapped into something similar, a novel way to harness electromagnetic fields that big players noticed. There are online forums buzzing with speculation that Western governments or corporations suppress free energy inventions to protect oil interests. Some say inventors like Chikumbutso get approached quietly, offered deals, or even silenced. Rumors swirl that he relocated to the US at one point, perhaps under protection or partnership. Could Boeing, with its vast defense contracts, be testing Microsonic-like tech for drones or space systems? It might explain why certain claims persist without full debunking. Or perhaps not. Maybe the rumors are just that, echoes amplified by hope for a cleaner future. On one hand, it may be true that aerospace giants monitor emerging inventors worldwide. Scouting talent from unexpected places could uncover gems. Boeing invests in global innovation hubs, why not Africa? If Chikumbutso's device worked as described, it might have caught attention from engineers looking for efficiency gains. Perhaps early prototypes showed promise under specific conditions, leading to hushed evaluations. It could be that partnerships exist but are buried under NDAs for competitive reasons. Aviation is cutthroat, revealing game changers too soon invites copycats. On the other hand, it may not be. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and after years, scalable products haven't materialized. Investors reportedly seeking refunds suggest smoke without fire. Boeing's challenges, supply chain issues, certification delays, stem from conventional engineering hurdles, not hidden energy miracles. If they had free energy, wouldn't we see hints in fuel efficiency leaps or endless endurance aircraft? Instead, progress is steady, better batteries, lighter materials, smarter software. The rumor mill thrives on ambiguity. Some say Chikumbutso's tech was deemed too disruptive, shelved to avoid appending industries. Others argue it's impossible, a well-intentioned illusion or worse. Maybe Boeing evaluated similar concepts decades ago and moved on. Or perhaps in 2026, as electric aviation ramps up, we'll hear whispers of African innovation influencing designs. It could go either way. Skeptics point to physics, believers to suppressed history. One thing's certain, the idea captivates because we want breakthroughs. Unlimited clean energy would transform flight, ending emissions overnight. Boeing publicly commits to net zero by 2050, chasing realistic paths like sustainable fuels. But if rumors hold a kernel of truth, maybe secret labs are pushing farther. Or maybe not. Perhaps Chikumbutso's story inspires real inventors, even if his claims don't pan out. Africa rising in tech could pressure giants like Boeing to partner more openly. It might be that future collaborations bridge established firms with bold outsiders. Or it might remain forever in the rumor zone, tantalizing but unproven. As we wrap this up, consider your own take. Boeing's real partners deliver verifiable tech shaping tomorrow's skies. Chikumbutso's claims spark imagination but lack confirmation tying them to those partners. Yet rumors persist, balancing may be and may not be. They remind us that innovation often starts on the fringes. Whether this particular story crosses into reality, only time, and evidence, will tell. What do you think? Is there hidden tech waiting to emerge, or is it just hopeful speculation? Drop your thoughts below, and stay curious. Thanks for watching.